All right, so we are doing a braid, but we're just doing a waterfall braid. So we're leaving pieces down the side. Really quick, Faith, just tilt your head to the side. So you're gonna wanna do a far part. You're gonna wanna make sure you're as far over as you can go without being too dramatic. So we're gonna start out with a far part. You're gonna grab a front section and then you're gonna go about a quarter of the way down the part. You're gonna make a little triangle here in the front. It does not have to be a perfect part because they're not going to see any of those lines. Push it out. Divide it into 3 even pieces. And you're going to start out like a normal braid here. So right over center, left over center. That's simple. Grab an additional piece, section it off. Again, you don't have to be perfect. Add it to your outside piece. When it's wet, it's way more manageable to keep separated. We'll leave in conditioner in there. You're going to do the same thing. Right over center, grab a piece, left, once you've straightened it out a little bit, left over center. Now is when we're going to start creating the waterfall look. So start here again, pull over and add to the outside here. You're going to cross over at the center again. And then here, you have your outside piece. You're going to pull it forward, grab underneath, and create a new outside piece. Now you're just crossing over again. Left over center, add to, right over center, drop this piece forward, and create a new outside left piece. Just separate it out real good, all the way to the end. You don't want any knots at the bottom. Again, just cross your outside piece, left over center, section off a new piece up here. Got these pieces together, cross over center, pull forward, create a new outside left piece. Sorry, Faith. Did it pull? Sorry. Again, left over center, right, add to, and then cross it over the center again. Pull forward, and this is going to be your last one. Create your outside piece. You're going to go all the way to the back of your part. So this is your last one, and there's 2 things you can do here. One is stop here, add a piece of elastic. The other one is going to be go ahead and braid and just do a braid all the way down the back. If you want this to stay nice and tight, I would advise go ahead and use the elastic rubber band right here if you want this to stay nice and snug. If you don't care, go ahead and braid down the back. I am going to find my elastic. I got stuck together. And you can continue this all the way around the head. You can actually loop it all the way around back to the other side if you really want to. You can make it as short or as long as you would like. So there's the elastic. Go ahead and just tighten it down a little bit. The best part about using elastics is you can move them very easily through the hair without pulling the hair. So you can give it a good snug, or you can pull it back just as easy and turn fake just a little bit. And there are your waterfall pieces coming down from your braid. And then from there, you can even up it by doing a little pull through. Just loosen the elastic just a little bit. Separate the hair if you want to, and this is like if you want to hide the elastic. And just separate it and flip it through. This will hide your elastic if you're using like a colored elastic. Again, guys, you can work this piece as tight or as loose as you want. But now we have hidden the piece of elastic, and if you look, she has a nice rainbow braid with a flip through, and she is ready for the day. Is it pulling anywhere, baby? No? All right. Hands down. You like it? Happy?
Yes.
Feel good? That's a waterfall braid, guys. That easy. Thank you.